Hello students, now you will study the volume of cuboid and cube, but before that we will see the exercise 13.4 last question. Exercise 13.4 last question was left, that is given a right circular cylinder. Exercise 13.4 question number 9. Exercise 13.4 question number 9. First part. There is a given a sphere enclosed by a right circular cylinder. A sphere is enclosed by a right circular cylinder. There is a one sphere which is enclosed by a right circular cylinder. This is the sphere given, and this sphere has a enclosed means it touches the ground, so it is the height which will be the diameter. And radius of a sphere is given this. Radius of the sphere is given r. So it is the diameter 2r. So first part is given surface area of the sphere. Surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. Second part is given curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area of the cylinder. CSA of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. What is the h? 2 pi r into 2r, because diameter is equal to height is equal to 2r. Enclosed. So what will you get? 4 pi r square. In the third part you want ratio of the areas of obtained, which means area of sphere upon CSA of cylinder. That will be 4 pi r square upon 4 pi r square will be 1:1. That is 1:1. You are getting, it is the last question it is given. Enclosed means the diameter and the width of this is the diameter. Diameter of cylinder will be also the diameter of sphere, and height will be also. Now we will see the volume of cuboid and cube. Very simple question. Volume means space occupied. Topic is given volume of cuboid and cube. In the volume of cuboid, what will you get? Cuboid is this figure that we know very well. All the faces are rectangle, or some faces rectangle, some square, length, breadth, height. And cube is this figure which have all the sides are square. You will get all the faces are square is called the cube. This is the A and B. It is given. So volume of cuboid is equal to area of base multiplied by height. What is the area of base? L into B into H. So it is the volume of cuboid. Same thing for the volume of cube. Volume of cube will be side cube A into A power 3. And we know that 1 centimeter cube is 1 ml. So 1000 ml gives you 1 liter. Or 1 meter cube is also equal to 1 liter. 1 kiloliter. Kiloliter 1000 liter makes 1 meter cube 1000 liter, not 1 liter, 1000. 1 meter cube 1000 liter, that you know, because 1 ml 1 liter into 1 liter 1000, 1000, that will 1 kiloliter, that is meter cube is called KL. It is ml, it is called kiloliter. 1 kiloliter means 1000 liter means 1 meter cube, that you know. It is a formula. You know that cuboid, volume, air, many questions given in the book based on the cuboid. In the class 8 also you have finished. Example 11 is given. Example 11 of this is given. A wall of length 10 meter was built. A wall of length 10 meter built across an open ground, and the height of the wall is 4 meter. Height of the wall is 4 meter. And the wall is 24 thickness is 24 centimeter that is 0.24 meter. If the wall is built up to the bricks of dimension, bricks, it is built by bricks of dimension, what is given? 24 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 8 centimeter. It is the volume of one brick. Volume of one brick is equal to 24 into 12 into 8 centimeter cube. It is the volume of one brick. You want to how many bricks should be required? How many woods will be required to make it? So volume of wall, number of bricks, volume of wall upon volume of one brick. That will be in centimeter you want, so no need to change here. You can write 10,000, here 400, all in centimeter. So 10,000 multiply by 400 multiply by 24 divide by 24 into 12 into 8. That you will get the number of bricks. It is coming in decimal, so you will get the answer in the decimal. 24 will be cancelled and then all you will find out. You are getting the decimal and decimal will be round off, one brick will be more. It is given one brick. You can't cut it because 0.7 small part of a brick you want to prepare it. It means you will take a full brick. It will be useless, that is another thing, but brick will be there. Question number 12 is, example 12 is given. Child playing. Child playing is like this. He is making this like this. He has formed the this portion. You can get like this. I hope you know. So that bricks are what is given. It is the number of bricks here. Total is given 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are you are getting the division like this you will get. So it is given in the book. Volume of the each edge into what is given. Has built in the this if the edge of the cube is 3 centimeter. Find the volume of the structure built by child. Volume of the structure built by the child. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like total you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 27 centimeter cube you will get. What is the volume of one? Volume of one cube. 3 into 3 into 3. Because it is given one block is of the 3 centimeter. 3, 3, 3. So 3, 3 is 9, 3 is 27 centimeter cube. Total block 5, 4, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15. Total number of blocks, number of the cubes are here given 15. So volume is equal to 15 multiplied by volume of 1. You will get the answer. Question number 1. You will see the exercise. Now we will see the exercise 13.5. Exercise 13.5 question number 1 is given. 13.5. In the exercise 13.5 question number 1 you will get, there is a matchbox measured 4, 2.5 and 1.5. Exercise 13.5 question number 1. There is a matchbox of size, matchbox, what is the size given? 4, 2.5 and 1.5 centimeter cube. It is the volume of matchbox, one matchbox. What will be the volume of packet containing 12 such boxes? So volume of packet volume of packet is equal to 12 such boxes, 12 into volume of 1, so that is 12 multiplied by this. Question number 2, a cuboidal water tank 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. How many liter of water? How many liter of water will be there? So volume of tank LBH, that is 6 into 5 into 4.5 meter cube, because 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter, therefore, or you can say 1 kl, therefore water in the tank is equal to volume multiplied by 1000, you will get the liter. Question number 3. A cuboidal vessel of 10 centimeter long, 8 meter wide. 10 meter long, 8 meter wide. How high must he will make the holder? 380 cubic meter of liquid. Volume is given 308 meter cube of liquid. It means the volume is given cubic meter of liquid. Volume is 380, not 308. That is 380. So L into B into H is equal to volume. So height will be volume upon L into B. Put the values 380 upon 10 into 8. 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2 19 is 19 upon 4. 4.75 meter is the height of this. 10 into 8, 380, and you will do the question like this. Find the cost of digging a cubical pit. Question number 4. Question number 4. Cost of digging. Cost of digging a 8 meter long pit. 8 meter long pit, 6 meter broad, and what is the depth? 3 meter depth, at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. So volume is equal to LBH. You will get the volume in meters cube, then cost is equal to volume into rate. Rate means volume multiplied by 30. What you are getting here, that you will write here LBH, put, and your answer will be in the rupees. 1 meter cube, 30 rupees is the cost. That's all. And then rest part of the questions I will tell you in the next period. Thanks.